Hello students, today we are starting the new topic and it is section formula. The second important topic of chapter number 7. The first topic was distance formula and we have done a lot of sums related to the distance formula. Now today I am taking the section formula. Now what is the meaning of section formula? Suppose there are 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in a coordinate plane. There is a coordinate plane and on this plane there are 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So these points can be in any quadrant. Yes. Now, if we want to find any point on this line which divides this in the ratio m1 is to m2. Suppose the coordinate of this point is x, y. The ratio is m1, m2. So in that case, the formula is x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and the coordinate of y will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So what is the meaning of section formula? If this point present on the AB and it divides in the ratio m1 is to m2, then we can find the coordinate of the point without making any graph. That is the important part. I am taking one problem. Suppose these points are -1, 7 and the second point is 4 and -3. Suppose these are the 2 points and the ratio is 2 is to 3. We see the point is -1, 7 and 4 and -3 and the ratio is 2 is to 3. Now in that case, what will be the value of x1? -1. The value of y1, it will be 7. The value of x2 will be 4 and the value of y2 it will be -3, and the value of m1 and m2 it will be 2 and 3. Please see these values. Now the first part is, by using this we can find the value of x. So the value of x is m1 x2, that is 2 into 4, plus m2 x1, that is 3 into -1, or 2 plus 3. When you are a student of 10th class, you know it very well. Is 4 to the 8 minus 3, 5. 5 upon 5, the answer is 1. So in this way, we can find the value of. Then the value of y. The value of y will be m1 y2, that is 2 into y2 is here -3, plus m2 is 3, y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 3. And it is not required to explain you this math here. 7 3s are 21, minus 6 15, and divide by 5, so it will be 3. So what is the required point? The required point is 1 comma 3. Now what is the meaning of this 1 comma 3? Now if I place this 1 comma 3 here, the meaning is that the ratio of length of AP and PB is 2 is to 3. That is the meaning of the section formula. So in this way, we can find the value of the point which divides the line joining 2 points in the given ratio. That is the importance of the section formula. Now with the section formula, there is one more formula and it is midpoint formula. So what is midpoint formula? Suppose in this we have to find, in this problem only, we have to find the coordinate of the midpoint. Midpoint of this line, and say the midpoint is M. Then the coordinate of the midpoint will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Why it is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2? Because when m is midpoint, then the ratio will be 1:1. So if you write 1 here, and here 1 plus 1, then it will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this part is known as midpoint formula. When this formula will come into the play, I will explain more about it. But as we are doing the section formula, then we must know about the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is also a part of section formula. Only the difference is, in case of midpoint formula, the ratio is 1:1. Now I am taking some more sums related to the section formula. Please see the sum. Yes, students. Now you see the sum. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining these 2 points is divided by 2. So if I connect this with the midpoint formula, the A point, B point and P point. A point is -310, B point is 6 minus 8, and this time the answer is given. And what is missing? The ratio is missing. That is M1 and M2 is missing. So here I want to add one thing. Whenever the ratio is missing, it is better you take let the ratio be. Instead of taking M1:M2, you can take K:1. Because you know M1:M2 can be written as M1 upon M2:1. And I am taking this part as K. By taking K:1, the calculations will be little easy. Now you know the formula. The formula is x equals to M1x2 plus M2x1 upon M1 plus M2. So if I put the value of x, it is -1. M1 is A, x2 is 6, 1 plus M2 is 1 and this is minus all A plus. If you cross multiply this part, think about minus K minus 1, 6K minus 3. So minus K minus 6K minus 3 plus. I have cross multiplied this. Minus K minus 6K minus 3. Now it is minus 7K equals to minus 2. K equals to 2 by 7. Minus and minus will cancel. Just minus and minus. So what is the ratio now? The ratio will be 2 by 7 is to 1. Now you compare these two. So the final answer will be 2:7. So in this way, we can find the ratio. If the ratio is missing and if the point is given. And if the points are given and the ratio is given, we can find the point. So this is the reciprocal problem related to the section formula. I'll explain you one more sum and then I'll wind up.